How to start a new project in Soundation. To start a new project, open Soundation in your browser and log into your account. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking on the sign up button. Once you are logged in, you will be directed to the dashboard. Now to begin your project, click on the create project button. This will open a new workspace where you can start designing your music. Next, you will be presented with a range of tools and options. On the left side of the screen, you will find a library of loops, sounds, and virtual instrument. You can drag and drop these elements into your project timeline to start composing. After adding some sounds, you can edit them by clicking on each element and adjusting the volume, pitch, or effects. This is where the creative process begins, and you can start experimenting with different sounds to make your track unique. Once you are happy with your project, make sure to save it by clicking on the export button at the top right corner. This will ensure you don't lose any progress. And that's it. Now you know how to start a new project in Soundation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.